Ni mabura ma muthi wa aruti a wira wa Labour Day kuri ya Kenya mekinyirie ukungwiri-ini uyu ota mutugo rita riri mabura maya makihanikira kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Gardens magikinyira mwihoko wa ati thirikari ni kwongerera nyongerera ya micara iria minini muno irihagwo aruti a wira kana minimum wage undu uria ukoragwo utanyitwo hari o mwaka.
Urakora ka mucara kari aratuhe gatiraigana na ndendu aratwita ni agutwongerera mucara mweri wa kana ndanongerera no tuhoe muno akue akorwo musemu true.
Naongezanga but inaweza kuwa ingine inakonga tu msemo, lakini this time afanye kitendo kwetu, at least atongeze hiyo mshahara, tunaweza kuwa proud.
Gutharara kwa mwihoko wa nyongerera ya mishara ino kwambiriria kwiyonania oriria mwandiki mukaru ngwataniro-ini ya ciama cia aruti a wira ya Kotu Francis Atoli arugamire kwaria agithemana na kuria thirikari yongerere mishara ino kuria agararire ndumiriri iria kwandikite akienda mishara ino yongererwo na gicunjĩ kia 24 akiunira ndumiriri ino maitho.
As I said, Your Excellency, I don't want to take a lot of your time kwa ajili sijui umetubebea nini. Naweza ongea sana na urudi na ile kitu umebebea wa Kenya.
Na riria President William Ruto arugamire kuheana ndumiriri yake gutiri undu ta uyu ahutireirie agiikia aruti a wira ihogo na kurenga mwihoko wao kuria yekiririo kuria andikani kwamba gukinyaniria nyongerera gicunjĩ gĩa 3% iria yaniriirwo mwaka muhituku.
And some of the employers have not implemented the 6% we agreed on last year. It is not right. It is unacceptable, and I am directing the ministry to work with the head of public service to ensure that every employer makes sure that we implement the 6% increase of salary that we agreed upon last year.
That when you give this worker 6%, to date is not fully implemented. And there is no any time His Excellency the President has announced the year salary increase and then it becomes a subject of debate.
Ona gutuika ngwataniro ya andikani ya FKI ni gwikinyitie gikoro-ini giki na ni heagwo mweke wa kwaria mabura-ini ma muthi wa aruti a wira mwaka uyu matigwo heho-ini matari na mweke wa gwitetera. Murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ino Jacqueline Mugo agitariria ati thirikari imaimire mweke uyu wa kwiaria niguo yoneke gwatio kia mikarire mioru ya aruti a wira.
A court knows that when there are disputes we come together through social dialogue to sort them out. But today was a bit unfair because we were caught by surprise. There was a bit of pushback and hostility, so we were locked out of the program and not speaking on account of issues which in our view are non-issues and can be very easily resolved. In November last year, the Federation of Kenya Employers issued a notice to all employers on the new minimum wages following the 6% increase. We are not aware that there's any enterprise that has not implemented the new statutory minimum wages because that complaint has not been brought to our attention.
Mugo aiteka gutariria morito maria andikani makoragwo makigerera na kuria thirikari itendaga kumenya na ithiaga na mbere na kumatindikiriria nditini ona makiria ya kuongerera aruti a wira mishara riu agitariria ati undu uyu ni ugwati munene hari kwihanda kwa biashara na iganda.
Inflation has been high, the cost of living has been high. Generally, the state of the economy has been quite unstable in the last few years. So, for both employees and employers, enterprises, it calls for certain tough decisions to be made. And employers are always looking at ways of containing costs and ways of keeping employees in employment.
Ona thengia aruti a wira gukorwo magieterera muno muthenya wa Labour gukorwo magiongererwo mucara uria munini kana minimum wage mwaka uyu gutire nyongerera o yothe yaniriirwo. Riu president akiuria andikani kwamba kuhingia nyongerera iria yaraniriirwo mwaka muhituku. Ni Kameme TV kuma kiharo kia Uhuru Gardens guku Nairobi. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.